loves it.
Oh, hell yeah.
Very proud though, I gotta tell you. It's like being a proud father. Hold on, let me get this secure. Man, I can push that ain't doing us any good.
Highway. Dear Lord, I'm bound to go. I'm gonna leave here running, cause walking is most too slow. I'm gonna get up in the morning. I'm gonna put on my walking shoes. And when the leather hits the highway, I'm gonna do the highway blues. Going back down to the border, where I'm better known, cause all you do, honey, is drive a good man from his home. So long, goodbye. Yes, I've got to say goodbye. I'm gonna walk the highway until the day I die. Goodbye. Yes, I've got to say goodbye. I'm gonna walk this highway until the day I die. Give me one more kiss now, baby. Yes, before I go. When I leave this time, I ain't never coming back no more. Cause I got the key to the highway. Dear Lord, I'm bound to go. I'm gonna leave you running, cause walking is most too slow. I'm gonna leave you running, cause walking is most too slow. I'm gonna leave you running, cause walking is most too slow.
I hope not too much now on this side there is. Yeah. Yeah, the water's a little cleaner out here.
It is, isn't it?
Further out. It's just kind of muddy over there.
Well, except from that agriculture.
Yeah.
Coming in from that.
Well, there's a ditch back here.
Yeah, and then like John was showing you, I mean, God, it was just coming right on the side.
Oh, rock.
Oh, that was what I worried about.
Oh man,
It hurt?
no, my butt squeak pad is really hurt. Body surfing. Mark, watch stationary body surfing, dude.
It's kind of a wet boat.
Yeah, and I tend to lean a little bit too far in it because I'm used to that one, so.
Sir, the feet need to be in the boat at all times. You didn't talk that much today. How are your words used up?
I just don't have many to start with.
John, you got anything funny to say?
Peaches and regalia. Encounter many obstacles.
Is you is or is you ain't my constituency.
You will meet many obstacles.
In your way.
You will see a cow on top of a cotton house.
Okay, hold on right there. I can get there now. Yeah, it'll weigh less.
Success.
Is that everything from down there? Okay, now say something funny.
Where's Dave? Man eating dogs.
They're little shits. What's wrong with him?
That is a steep ass hill. This is a portage for the ages right here, man.
That's amazing. Up a damn ladder. You want to try that? Get back in the boat.
That's a serious fucking dam.
Get back in the boat.
This is a fun one. Ride it down the hill, Mark.
Go on over the dam, hell.
That gives me the EBG.
How much does it fall? It falls quite a bit, doesn't it?
It does.
Cholo cactus. Those things bite.
This is great.
It's a wild adventure, I tell you.
We're in it now, boy.
We're in it now. We shall not be defeated. feet are coming out of these sandals.
Because they're full of mud, huh?
Yeah, it's full of muddy,
Yeah.
all greasy and everything.
Move them up down here.
Look at this crazy shit.
Hold on. I got it.
Okay.
Yep. Okay, I gotta let go. All right.